Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the toll for the Highway 2000 Maypen to Mandeville leg. Now the highway is still going to be free for a few more months. Now Trans-Jamaica Highway and NROC have worked out an arrangement, but it hasn't taken effect yet. So it's going to take a few more months for them to finalize everything. So the toll will be free. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening. Highway 2000, a vital component of Jamaica's transportation infrastructure, has played a significant role in improving connectivity and facilitating economic growth across the island. The recently completed Phase 1C segment, spanning from Maypen in Clarendon to Williamsfield in Manchester, represents a milestone in the ambitious project. However, as a national road operating and constructing company, NROC and Trans-Jamaica Highway work to finalize a concession agreement for its operation, this section of the highway remains toll-free, highlighting both the progress and challenges in managing large-scale infrastructure projects in Jamaica. Phase 1C of Highway 2000 is a critical link between central and southern Jamaica, reducing travel time and boosting accessibility between key economic regions. Opened in September 2023, this segment provides a safer and more efficient alternative to traditional routes, promoting regional commerce, tourism, and community development. Its completion is particularly significant for agricultural and industrial sectors in Manchester and Clarendon, which now benefit from improved logistics and reduced transportation costs. Since its opening, Phase 1C has remained toll-free, providing a reprieve for motorists amid Jamaica's rising transportation costs. While tolling was initially expected to commence by August 17, 2024, ongoing negotiations between NROC and Trans-Jamaica Highway have delayed its implementation. This free access underscores the importance of this segment in connecting communities, but it also raises questions about long-term sustainability and maintenance funding. Alright guys, so that is the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. They didn't give a date as to when they'll start collecting tolls, so it will be free for a few more months. Definitely into the start of 2025. Alright guys. Enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.